Alright guys, we're up here at the rape cabin. You know, where no means yes. We have a kerosene heater. And on top of that kerosene heater, we have a frying pan. What are we going to do with that frying pan? We're going to cook. God damn it. We ain't got no heat. So, got no electricity, got no gas. We're going to cook though. Check this out. Give me a second. As Peg would say, we got some Cosby in the can. We're going to spray this shit down so our goddamn eggs don't stick, right? Alright, cool. I didn't die. I was a little worried about that. I mean, considering how hot that son of a bitch is, but it's just a kerosene heater. You know, everybody's got one. Man, that shit didn't disperse like I was hoping. So I'm doing this live, so we'll see, man. Ugh, gross. Egg yolk. Give me a second. Sorry, I didn't plan that part of it out. Put a little salt on there, you know, 'cause gotta have salt on your eggs, right? I've never done this. I have no idea if it works. But I know it'll make it better. I'll pull up my sleeves. And grab me a beer. Fuck yes. That'll fix it, right? I can honestly say I thought this was going to cook a lot faster. I threw my digital hot thing on there. And this said we're at 700 degrees. Apparently it takes more than 700 degrees to cook. I didn't know that, but I know it now. So, all right, well, we're almost 3 minutes into it, so I'm going to pause this and let it continue to cook. I'll keep you updated. All right, I'm going to throw a little hot sauce on there because, man, you could eat the ass out of a dead goat if you got enough hot sauce. You know what I mean? So, I'll keep you updated. I am at, I don't know, about 4 minutes now. Then, of course, we got to add some pepper. Just a little, not too much. Usually I do fresh ground, but I can't do that and hold the phone at the same time. So, we'll get back to it. We've been 4.5, almost 5 minutes. All right, the next thing you mouth breathers are going to ask, hey, can you cook toast on this bitch? Well, let's find out. Take your square Wonder Bread, which is no longer in existence, so I'm using King, and we'll find out. We're at about 5.5 minutes. I'll keep you posted. All right, about 5 minutes into it, I'm going to try to flip this egg. I don't know how good of a job I can do, but I'm going to try. Oh, she's not looking nearly as dark and as exciting as I was hoping. But I guess it keeps you from overcooking your egg, right? All right. Let's see. How's the toast doing? Oh, man, that's fucking hot. The toast looks a little weird. It's brown-ish. Kind of gray. But the egg on there. Oh, God damn, that kerosene heater is so hot. The egg actually looks okay. You know, and I'll bet if I put some actual oil in it instead of that spray shit, it probably would have been good. But I didn't know how this was going to turn out, so I didn't use any. But, yeah, we'll give her another minute or so. We're at about 6.5 minutes. I'll keep you posted. Yeah, about 7 minutes. I'm going to rotate this toast just a little bit. Ouch. Man, that shit's hot. Hey, here's a funny joke. That fucking goofy ass bitch AOC. You put bread in the toaster and toast comes out. And then she says, "Where does the toast go?" I wish I could say it was a joke, but unfortunately it's not. She's just that fucking dumb. So, yeah, go in here and check on her egg. God damn, this thing's actually burning my fucking hand to hold the phone. I think that shit's done. I think we're done. Let me grab the phone and the plate. Alright, this one's gonna be fun. Egg comes off. We're gonna move that onto the plate. And then we're gonna take the toast and we're gonna put it right there. Now, give me a second. I'll bring you up to life. Or I'll bring you up to speed. Okay. I had to move this off the heat because it was just burning me up. Can you see the heat? Oh, you can see it. Look at the steam. Look at that. That, my buddies, is an egg. I'm eating it. That's an egg. I'm not going to show you my face eating it. Huh. It tastes just like I cooked it on the stove. Wow, look at that. Oh, you know what? I actually overcooked my yolk. Oh, what a bummer. Good thing we have this giant piece of toast. I actually overcooked it. I didn't think it would. I've never done this before, honestly. It's not bad. Actually, it's fantastic. Other than the lack of seasoning, and obviously I didn't put any butter on the toast, and this is better than the breakfast you get at Denny's. So, can your kerosene heater cook your breakfast? Fuck yeah. Thumbs up, bitches. Hope you enjoyed. I had a lot of fun. If you guys have any ideas for other broke bitch shit to cook, leave a comment, man. Let me know. See ya.